Good morning to all of you. This is me, Shifa. Today I'm going to revise our second subject, that is English, and the topic will be our small c, and the sound of c will be k, k, c, k, cat, c, k, cat, c, k, cup. I will tell you how to write C from middle line. Most of our alphabets, many of our alphabets start from middle line to lower line. So C will start from middle line and end itself in middle line. So stay with me and know how to write small c once again. So let's start. Kids, this is our 4-line English copy. On the bottom or on the top of a line, it is drawn with red line. Middle two lines are drawn with blue line, and last line, bottom line, which is known as, is also drawn with red line. So we write our English alphabets or English letters or English sentences in 3 lines. We use 3 lines only. We use only 3 lines. It has given 4 lines, but we use 3 lines only. Okay, now many of my children are very confused to write how to write small c, that is baby c. So let me differentiate between capital C and small c. This is capital C, okay, because it is written big, and it is also known as mother C or uppercase C. Now I will draw small c, this one, and it is known as baby C or middle case C. Okay, you can see the difference between capital C and small c. Capital C is written big and small c is written C. Now I will tell you how we have to use this middle line, these two middle line, and write C. If you are facing problem to write small c, you can draw 2 dots same as like this, and you can join like this. It is also known as half semicircle. So you can write down C like this. Draw 2 dots, one dot like this and another dot in front of first dot, and join these 2 dots like this. You will make your C very easily like this. And the sound of C is k, 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 C, k, cat, C, k, cup, C, k, what others? C, k, cap, C, k, cat, C, k, cup. So children, now you will be able to write small c or middle case C, and you will be able to know, and now you are able to know the phonic sound of C, that is K. Now I'm going to discuss with you an activity sheet how you have to do. Let's start. Kids, this is our activity sheet of English. On question number 1, it has written that trace the small letter C or middle case C or baby small c. So I have written in dotted form. As you can see, you have to just trace over it. You have to just trace over it, or you can make 2 dots like this and you can join like this. Okay, now second question is write small letter C. I have written 1 C each, and I have drawn a dot. I have drawn 1 dot. You will draw another dot in front of first dot and you will join like this. Now you will be able to draw your C very comfortably. I hope this revision session is very helpful to you on writing small c. Thank you.